So, what you need?
That was good. That was good.
We've got the M8 by 40 bolts with the nylock nuts, looking saucy. And then you need the power drill with a 10-piece drill bit set coming in strong, and of course a fat old split and a naughty motor.
Beats.
What you need to do is you need to make sure that these holes that connect the splitter to the actual bumper are the right size according to the bolts. As this one is not brand new, we don't have the original bolts, so we're drilling a, what was it? 8mm hole to match the bolts. Don't drill a hole in the floor, whatever you do.
Don't set the TRC splitter on fire.
Now you want to repeat the process for all 8 holes, so they're the according size to the nuts. Alright, once you've got the drills, get a qualified drill technician, or a friend if you've got one. Just got to hold it up and line it up against the car, find the right position, and then Bob's your uncle. Right, so once you've got it lined up and you've drilled the holes, what you want to do is bolt it up as what we're doing now. We've got it provisionally bolted up now, but we're just tightening up the final adjustments. Cool, absolute angles.
Oh, looks
Jeez.
Jeez. I'm gonna scrape everywhere. Oh yes, Sam.